We just hacked the muffler off my 2017. Before we throw the Borla in there, do any more, we're just gonna fire it up a minute. Hear what it sounds like with no muffler. Cut the muffler off underneath and then use two 6-inch pieces and tacked it in underneath there, and also used about a 14-inch piece here for the resonator. Tacked that in, then I welded it all up outside. Got the tip welded on there too. Show you that when it's in. Here's what the tip looks like, pretty much just like my dad's. See where the resonator was there. There's the muffler there. Got it bolted back on. Remote start it.